When you think of augmented reality, the first thing you think of usually isn't sound. But here at South by Southwest, Bose launched something called Bose AR, which is basically laying a layer of audio on top of your surroundings and your environments to make for audio AR. Here at the show, we were able to check out the prototype of sunglasses with Bose AR built in. Bear in mind, these are concepts right now and haven't really rolled out and will only be here for developers in the summer. But still, what I've seen so far, it's fascinating. But first, what on earth is audio AR? The idea is that instead of having visual cues laid over your vision, this is the audio version of it, right? When you're walking around, you can hear extra information about what you're looking at, and it's through headphones or glasses or anything you can wear on your head. Bose hasn't settled on a format just yet. It's going to work with partners to bring this to market. But for now, what we're checking out is this pair of sunglasses. In a very brief demo here in Austin, we took the glasses out on a very short block called Rainy Street and looked at things around us, whether it's a bar, a building, or a restaurant. And we were prompted to double tap the side of the glasses to kind of pull up more information about what we're looking at. So for example, I stopped in front of a place called Eisenhower and tapped the right side of the glasses twice. Bose AR's platform was able to tell me that this was what sort of food it served, what sort of wait time to expect, and what the rating was. Of course, this is all, again, just a test. Bose will be working with partners like Yelp and TripAdvisor to feed me more comprehensive and thoughtful information about the places I'm looking at. It's able to tell what I'm looking at with a mix of sensors like GPS on the companion phone, as well as a 9-axis sensor on board to tell the direction that I'm gazing. Of course, in this really limited demo that we took on, it worked really well. I mean, things that I looked at were accurate, more or less, a few steps away. It did serve information that was helpful to me. What I was more impressed by, however, was the audio quality on these things. It's not bone conduction and it's not an in-ear earbud. However, it's a projection technique that kind of shoots the audio into your ear canal. It sounded really great. Songs like Valerie by Amy Winehouse sounded really good and clear in my ears. But of course, from this video, you're not going to be able to get the full effect, unfortunately. Of course, what we just saw here was only a basic implementation of what Bose AR can do. When the developer kit and SDK are available in the summer, people can start taking that and running wild with their ideas. So hey, let's hope to see more interesting applications in the months to come. For now though, that was a very tantalizing preview of what should be an impressive platform when it becomes available. So stay tuned for more of that cool stuff out of South by Southwest 2018 here on Engadget.com.